Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am gonna show you how to manage your Chrome bookmarks like an absolute legend. Let's get started. First things first, let's access the bookmark manager. Hit Ctrl Shift O on Windows or Command Option B on Mac, or just type Chrome bookmarks slash in your address bar and hit enter. Boom. Welcome to your bookmark control center. Be honest, when was the last time you clicked half of this? Right click and select delete. To remove outdated bookmarks, or press shift plus click to select multiple, then delete all in one go. Let's less clutter, more productivity. Feels good, right? Let's bring some order to the chaos. Click on three-dot menu in Bookmark Manager and select add new folder. Name them like a pro work and hit enter. Now drag and drop bookmarks into their new homes. Like that. Boom. Now you won't spend 10 minutes searching for that one tutorial you saved months ago. Got sites you visit daily? Pin them to the bookmark bar. Like ChatGPT, then open, then add to bookmark. From here, work, then done. Now here ChatGPT. Right click and edit name. To keep it short, no need for long, messy titles. Now you go to sites are just one click away. Want and Want an ultra clean look? Remove text labels and keep only icons. Right click a bookmark and select edit. Delete the name and hit save. Now just icon. Now your bookmark looks slick and you can fit more in. Never lose your bookmarks again. Go to settings, then Sync and Google services. Turn on Sync Everything or just bookmarks. Now your bookmarks follow you whether you are on your laptop, phone, or another device. Want to take it to the next level? Check out these extensions. Raindrop, raindrop.io, Toby, then bookmark sidebar. With this, your browsing experience will be smoother than ever. And that's how you manage Chrome bookmarks like a pro. Clean up the junk, create folders, pin your favorites, sync across device, use extensions for max efficiency. Now, go forth and browse like a legend. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more tech hacks. Thanks for watching.